Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear grade 12 students in Qatar Technical School, hello and welcome to a new English lesson. Our lesson for today is from Unit 3, Lesson 5, Sequence 2, and this is Part 1. So please open your course books, page 24, and let's get started. Our learning objectives for today. Number 1, to use new vocabulary for ejection seat system. Number 2, use the given suffixes to complete the given nouns. Dear students, our starter for today is a video. So we have to watch the video, then try to discuss the following questions. The questions are, what has just happened? Question number 2, why did it happen? And the last question, what is going to happen next? So please watch the video and discuss the questions. Let's have a look now at the important words in our lesson for today. From page 24, please have a look at the following words. Rocket, cockpit, canopy, explosive bolt, drogue parachute, seat, main parachute, and handle ejection. Dear students, now here comes the meanings of the words. Number 1, rocket means to rise extremely quickly. Word number 2, cockpit, which is the small closed space where the pilot sits in an aircraft or where the driver sits in a racing car. Word number 3, canopy, a cover fixed over a seat. Word number 4, explosive bolt, a bolt designed to contain a remote initiated explosive charge which upon detonation will shear the bolt or cause it to fail. Number 5, drogue parachute, a type of parachute attached to a body to slow it down. Word number 6, as in the picture, seat, which is a chair. Number 7, main parachute, which is an umbrella-like device designed to slow down the falling of a body. And the last one, the handle ejection. The handle ejection that the pilot pulls to eject the seat and release it from its base. From the same page, dear students, we have to do task number 2. Put these illustrations in the best order to explain how the ejection seat system works. Now, you can read what's written on each picture from A to H. Then think how to explain the ejection seat system and how it works. You can pause the video, then come back to check your answers. Now, let's begin. Number 1, the pilot pulls the ejection handle. At that time, the bolts explode, and when they explode, the canopy flies in the air. Next, at that time, the catapult gun pushes the chair up so that it rockets in the air. Number 5. Number 6, at that time, the drogue parachute opens. And next, the main parachute opens also. And in the end, the pilot is separated from the seat, and both of them goes back down to the ground. Well done. Dear students, now please go to the course book again, page 24, and do exercise 3. We have to match the phrases 1 to 6 with their meanings A to F. What we have to do now is to read the phrases. Number 1, eject the seat. Number 2, stabilize the rocket. Number 3, deploy the parachute. Number 4, restrain the body. Number 5, descend. And number 6, ascend. While on the other side, we have the meanings. A, stop it from moving. B, go down. C, make it steady. D, throw it out. E, open it and use it. And F, go up. Dear students, now you can pause the video and come back to check your answers. Dear students, this is the last exercise for today, exercise number 4. What we have to do is to complete the following words and change the verbs into nouns by adding the following suffixes. The words are deploy, eject, stabilize, orient, active, and restrain. We have to change them into nouns by adding the following suffixes: meant, A-T-I-O-N, T, and I-O-N. We will do the same. Pause the video, try to change the verbs into nouns, and come back to check your answers. Now let's see the answers. Number 1, deploy becomes deployment. Number 2, eject becomes ejection. Number 3, stabilize becomes stabilization. Number 4, orient becomes orientation. Number 5, active becomes activation. And the last one, restrain, becomes restraint. Excellent, thank you so much. Dear students, in this lesson we discussed the new vocabulary for ejection seat system, and we talked how to change the verb into a noun by adding a suffix. Dear students, in the end, please log on to your Microsoft Teams account and do the quiz. Remember to submit your answers within 24 hours. That's all for today. Goodbye.